your dog's teeth? Do they let you?
Ooh, I can't even, oh, what a cute girl.
He's done this. Look at that brush. Wow. All right, some tips, Sue, I understand you're going to have to make this easier. But this little guy seems to be cooperating.
She is.
Look at those healthy dogs.
We all know how bad we feel when our teeth are hurting, but what about when it comes to our pets? Well, they have problems with their teeth just like we do, but it's a little more difficult for us to solve those problems because they can't really talk to us. But you know what? We have an expert with us to tell us all about it. Dr. Shiela Mayer is here. And what are we looking at, Dr. Shiela? A cavity in a dog?
A cavity in one of the molars in a dog.
Wow, that does look painful. It really does.
And they'll show you some signs, like maybe rubbing the face or dropping the food.
So when they're, they sort of favor...
Some swelling in the area under the eye or, around the mouth. So things that could key you in that maybe something is going on.
All right, Dr. Shiela's practice, as you may or may not know, because she's with us so much, is in Somerdale, New Jersey, the Somerdale Animal Hospital. Introduce your human friends first.
This is Serena. And Diane at the Camden County Animal Shelter. And this is Shirley.
She's
Shirley Smile, and she's up for adoption, and we're going to talk a little bit about brushing your pet's teeth. Preventative maintenance is probably the most important thing. I tell my clients and patients to start young. Start brushing those teeth as soon as you get them as kittens and puppies, and that preventative care and brushing daily helps prevent tartar, plaque buildup, gingivitis, and cavities. You can start with a simple toothbrush, soft bristle brush, getting in on those teeth, cleaning those canines, those front incisors, and back on those molars. Just a gentle abrasion. If they won't tolerate the toothbrush, we also carry commonly a finger brush, can be purchased at your veterinary office, pet stores.
You just stick it right on your
finger.
finger.
Stick it right on your finger. Has little abrasive edges. You can get in there with that. It's a little bit more to work with. And then even for your most stubborn animals, good old cotton gauze that you purchase from the pharmacist, and you just take a piece and wrap it around your finger.
So you're still getting the tartar off.
And that gives that little, again, abrasive surface. And we really want to get in there and get that plaque off before it hardens to that tartar.
Now, some of us might be afraid we would get bitten by our dog.
And if your dog is one of those dogs who will not tolerate you near or in the mouth at all, there are products out there. There are tartar treats that you can purchase. There are specific tartar diets that can be purchased. There are even liquids that can be very easily added to the water that help prevent the buildup of plaque and tartar.
And they can bite on these things and it'll help.
Yes, they're abrasive and they're crunchy and they help break it off. Again, the abrasion, the actual physical work is what does it best, but if you have one, there's some other options for you. This shows a nice, clean dental area. No cavities, no plaque, no tartar buildup. Over age, this is what we begin to see. Plaque and tartar buildup, cavities, broken teeth, gingival disease, gum inflammation, redness and swelling. These, again, can all be prevented by routine dental care. If your pet is older and these things are already happening, I recommend a professional cleaning. The animals go to the animal hospital, they're sedated, we do a general scale and polish, they come up beautiful, and then get on that preventative maintenance.
So you do dental work too?
Absolutely.
All right, well, we got answers to all your questions about all of this on myfoxphilly.com. We'll link you up to Dr. Sheila's website, askavet.org. Absolutely. And you can find out how to adopt Miss Shirley, because she needs a home, and look at that gentle, sweet face. You want her as a member of your family, don't you guys? Dawn, wouldn't you love to take Miss Shirley home?
Absolutely.
Oh, you know me. I'm a dog lover. Absolutely. I'm